Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the Google Wallet and Samsung Wallet, which option is better and which one to choose. So here is the step-by-step guidance and everything, the history and everything of about the Google Wallet and Samsung Pay or Samsung Wallet. So let's read about it first of all. So Samsung Pay launched in 2015, Google Wallet 2011 for Android, and this is Samsung Pay is for Samsung Wallet for only Samsung phones. And if we scroll down a little bit, here is the Google Wallet app and installation and everything. So let's read about a little bit. Like Samsung Pay is available in more than 24 countries and Google Wallet is available in more than 80 countries. So there is an edge to Google Wallet. Both work with almost any card in the US. Mostly newly added banks are smaller local networks and credit units. So like every bank is mostly the most banks are available in both the Samsung Pay and Google Wallet. So if we talk about the next option, here is the like online and in-person payment options. Like Google and Samsung Pay support NFC technology, allowing you to make physical payments by tapping your NFC supported Android phone. So both of them support this option as well, and here is the NFC payments are secure choice, so like a kind of better edge for both of them. And here is like another option of how you can manage your rewards in the digital wallet. This is the kind of home page. And after that, if we talk about which one to use, so here is like choosing between Google Wallet and Samsung Pay depends on your device and spending patterns. If you own a top-notch Samsung device, you can use Samsung Pay, but Google Wallet often has broader merchant acceptance. Both options, both the apps can function simultaneously on your device. If you decide wallet is better, it fits for your needs. It's easy to deactivate Samsung Wallet and pay on your Galaxy phone. So let's say you have an Android phone, so you can try both of them. Both of them will work for you. And if you are not Android, like the not Samsung user, so you need to use the Google Wallet, as the Samsung Wallet might not be available in your device. But if you are on Samsung, so you can try both of them. And let's say you want to shift from Samsung to other phones, so you must already have the Google Pay or Google Wallet, and you can use both of them. So both of them works fine. Both of them are secure and good and authorized, so you can try any of them that works best for you, and that is your choice.